Hello everyone, this is my review of the Nutrex Research Whey Protein Powder in chocolate flavor, a standout choice for anyone looking to boost muscle gain and recovery. With a blend of whey isolate, essential amino acids, and high BCAA content, this formula provides the nutrients your body needs for effective muscle building and repair. The taste is rich and indulgent, making it one of the most enjoyable protein powders I have tried. The texture is smooth and mixes easily with water or milk without clumping. At 5 pounds per container, it offers excellent value for both men and women focused on sports nutrition. This protein powder is versatile enough to use as a post-workout shake, a meal replacement, or a snack to support fitness goals. It delivers on performance, quality, and flavor. I highly recommend, and I hope this review helped.